Today is Friday, May 24th, and you know what that means. It is time for the weekend, and maybe do a little extra dance because it is a holiday weekend. We got a 3-day weekend for a lot of folks. Memorial Day is on Monday. This is a day where we remember all of those that have served our great country. So make sure you take a moment to do that. Let's talk weather here for the next 90 seconds or so. Scattered clouds with us this morning. We got in New York City, lots of sunshine in the forecast for this afternoon, and highs still well into the 80s. The cooler air behind that cold front still lagging quite a bit. Quite the change, because 24 hours ago in the morning we had a line of severe thunderstorms coming through. So now it is quieter, but we're at least still holding on to that warmth. Air quality is moderate, so it's not great, but it's not as bad as when we see that smog that is especially thick, or wildfire smoke that pushes it up into the sensitive or an unhealthy category. So maybe if your asthma is particularly bad, you may notice a little bit of irritation. 82 in Albany today, 75 and sunny in Syracuse and Rochester, about that as well in Buffalo. So just a beautiful Friday underway throughout the entire Northeast. The warmest temperatures hugging the New York City metro down to Philly, and then down toward DC. Let's take a look at the national map. We have some showers and storms in the middle of the country. I mentioned that because this is a very busy travel day, and especially this year, the FAA saying that they're expecting a lot more flights than they typically see on Memorial Day. And if you're flying west across the country, you got Chicago out here, O'Hare, Midway. They certainly could be impacted, those airports, by some thunderstorms. So keep that in mind if you are traveling. You may want to check ahead, make sure there aren't any delays, especially the later flights later in the day. The weekend looks pretty good. I do think that on Saturday we're going to have some showers and storms pushing in. So Buffalo, Rochester, Syracuse, Western Pennsylvania, Ohio, showers on Saturday. But we stay dry the eastern half of the state, including in New York City. And it will be a nice day for everyone on Sunday. Are we going to talk about Monday? Okay. We'll talk about Monday. Monday doesn't look all that great. It looks very showery. I think it's going to be mainly cloudy, quite a few showers around, a few embedded thunderstorms, highs generally in the 60s. So not the nicest Memorial Day. We are going to see 70s next week, though, as those showers and storms move on out. So that is your Friday morning weather update. I hope you all have a terrific holiday weekend. And I will see you back here on Tuesday morning. Don't forget that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.